Hey everyone! Today, we're solving a GMAT word problem involving multi-step computations. Let's break it down step by step. First, read the task. The problem says that a social media platform had 200 million users in 2015, and the number of users increases by 25,000 every month. We need to find out in which year the platform will reach 215 million users. Let's start by calculating the total increase needed. 215 million minus 200 million equals 15 million users. Now, if the platform gains 25,000 users every month, how many months will it take to gain 15 million? Right. We need to divide 15 million by 25,000, which equals 600 months. Since there are 12 months in a year, we convert 600 months to years by dividing 600 by 12 to get 50 years. So, if we start from 2015 and add 50 years, we get 2015 plus 50 equals to 2065. Therefore, the correct answer is option E. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick GMAT math breakdowns. See you in the next one.